Hello. Today we have a speaking club and we have our special guests and a teacher, 2 teachers, 3 teachers and 4 teachers.
I'm a musical producer, that's right. So tell me please about what are you producing right now?
Actually, I don't understand what you're saying.
You're welcome, please. You can start.
Okay, guys.
We can start this later on, but now we can speak on the YouTube channel, maybe, what they're watching there.
Okay. Yes, please. Guys, what are you doing? Okay, guys. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Okay. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is my English clear? Can you understand?
Yes.
Okay. My name is Miriam. Today we will have speaking club. Have you ever attended speaking clubs like this?
Yes.
What did you do there? Speak, right? I congratulate you with finishing your school, right? You are happy now? So, this is not a school, that's why just feel free, okay? You don't have to.
Let me say, my name is Rahat. I like to make videos.
Okay, he loves making videos.
What about you?
Hello, my name is Bek Sultan. My surname is Nukirbanov. I like watching boxing shows.
Boxing shows. Okay?
Hello, my name is Amira. I like dance and my hobby is playing volleyball.
Playing volleyball, that's me. Okay. Amira, what does it mean, Amira?
I don't know.
You don't know? Never asked your parents like, Mommy, Daddy, what is the meaning of my name? Never today go and ask, okay? What does it mean, Amira?
Hello, my name is Mary. I like playing volleyball and
Oh, you play football, really? You play with him? No? Do you play together? You all play football? Okay. Genius! Okay.
electrician, okay?
Money, right? So you devoted your time, like 1-2 hours to come here and to listen to me. See you.
Thank you very much.